how to change text font in Yahoo Mail on computer. And okay guys, here in Yahoo Mail homepage, go to gear icon on the right side. Okay, click the gear icon. In gear icon, go to more settings. Okay guys, here in left side, okay, you can see here the writing email. Okay, go to writing email. And below of this, okay, you can see the default rich text font. And the text font is set into modern. To change this, you'll have to do is click the arrow down on the right side of this modern. And now you can see the option. Now you can change the text fonts. So there are options here. The modern wide, classic, classic wide, courier new, Garamond, Lucida console. So for my example, I set into Garamond. So okay, you can see here the difference between Garamond and modern. So okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the text font in Yahoo Mail on computer.